Ever dreamed of soaring high and capturing breathtaking aerial footage? Get ready to elevate your content with a drone that's packed with power and incredibly easy to fly. This is the DJI Mini 4K Fly More Combo, a game changer for enthusiasts and beginners alike. Weighing less than 249 grams, it often requires no registration in many regions. Just charge it up and you're ready for adventure. It's perfect for travel, spontaneous shoots, or simply exploring your local landscape from a new perspective. This compact powerhouse fits right into your bag. Prepare for stunning visuals with its 4K UHD camera and 3-axis gimbal stabilization. Capture silky smooth, cinematic footage, whether it's a sunrise or a dynamic action shot. Your videos will look professional every time. The intelligent Quick Shots feature makes pro-level shots effortless. With modes like Droney, Helix, and Rocket, you can create captivating content with just a tap. Experience incredible flight times with the Fly More Combo's 3 batteries, offering up to 93 minutes of total airtime. Say goodbye to battery anxiety and extend your creative sessions. Enjoy a robust 10km HD video transmission range, giving you clear, reliable control over vast distances. Plus, it's surprisingly wind-resistant, handling level 5 winds with ease. The Mini 4K is designed for everyone. One-tap takeoff and landing, GPS return to home, and stable hovering make flying intuitive. In-app learning resources help you master controls quickly. This combo includes the drone, 3 batteries, a 2-way charging hub, and a shoulder bag. Everything you need to start your aerial journey is right here. Ready to capture your world from a new perspective? Click the link in the description to get your DJI Mini 4K Fly More Combo today. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe for more drone content, and share your thoughts in the comments below.